That's a nice view. Now you can see the mountains over there. So I'm showing Colton the Black Forest Academy now. You can see like all the signs are in English here. It's for American students, I think. It's like a Christian organization, so they can get there, like finish their high school here and just basically go to school, but in Germany. That's the Black Forest Academy.
How much do you think this costs?
I have no idea. It has to be expensive since it only exists here. And they have a very nice property here, like right at the creek, surrounded by the mountains. Got a little movie theater right there.
Curioso.
Really? Smells good. Can you smell the flowers?
Yeah.
We can drive there. That's a nice view. In Germany we have those little boxes in front of houses where people give stuff away for free. Here, I was trying to go to this ruin. It's called Ruin Salzenburg. That's where I was trying to go, but we'll see. Coming. Hello. Colton got hit by the electric fence. Guess he's not used to it. We all learned it as kids. Don't hold grass over an electric fence. Well, now you learned. Hi.
No, I touched it. Shocks the piss out of you.
It does. It's strong, isn't it? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're so precious. Just don't touch it. You're gonna lead it to them, and then you'll shock them. It happened to me as a kid. Huh? So many. Oh, their tongue is so hard. Every time I feel like they're gonna pull it into their mouth and eat it. Mama lick. Mama lick. Oh, did you burp? Did you burp? They're grunting. Nice hair. They say they deliver the Black Forest Balck. Be careful. There's hedgehogs here. Isn't that cute though? Out. Come. Here comes Dad. His foot. You're fine. Come on. Come. Did you see his teeth? Some Black Forest milk because I wanted him to try it once. Even though I promote vegan milk, but you have to try that once in your life. And he made himself a bread roll with paprika and salt. Get banana. And I'm gonna eat one of those bread rolls too. Woo! That's a helicopter landing. It's very windy.